Windows update error is really annoying. When you're trying to update your Windows so that your computer works fine, you get Windows update error, which is really a very common problem in Windows 10, Windows 11, or any other version of Windows you're using. Here we are going to use 3 simple steps to fix this problem. If you're getting any kind of Windows update error, we are going to fix it with 3 simple steps. So the very first step is to click on the search icon and type troubleshoot. All these things needs to be done sequence wise so that it becomes effective. So here we will click on troubleshoot settings and a window will appear like this, and we need to click on other troubleshooters. Now once you're here, you will find the most frequent options. You will find Windows Update, and you just need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. The moment you click on that, it will start detecting Windows Update problems, and you just need to restart the computer and try to update your Windows. If successful, well and good. If there is a Windows Update error, we will move to the next step. So the next step is click on the search icon and type CMD. And friends, please make sure that you run as an administrator, because if you do not open your command prompt as an administrator, this command won't run. So I'll click on run as administrator, and then it will ask you to say yes, and a new window will appear like this. And you just need to paste a command which I'll mention in the description box, from where you can copy and paste it right there. So it is DISM space online space cleanup hyphen image space restore health. So once you have typed it, you just need to hit enter, and it will start scanning the whole computer, and it will repair the computer if you have any kind of Windows update problem. So this might take some time, 4 to 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Let it run, and once this is done, restart the computer. So once this is done, click on the search icon and type CMD, and again click on run as administrator and click on yes, and this time you need to type sfc space / scan now. I'll mention both the commands in the description box, through which you can copy and paste it right here. So you can run the sfc scan. This also might take 5-7 minutes. Let it run and then restart the computer, and then try to update your Windows. And please let me know in the comment section if you have successfully updated your computer, and if you have any issues, you can let me know in the comment section. And if this tutorial is helpful, please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.